Right now I'm going to put on some gloves, show you the flail blades underneath. To access them, we can just pull this up, reach under here, and the center blade does not cut. Only these flail blades at the end. Now, to protect the machine, if it hits debris or catches a rock or anything, what happens is these flail blades will spin, eject the material, and then spin back around to their position where they're cutting again. All right? Now, when you need to change those out, because you have two sides, okay, just get some tools, undo it, flip them over, and you have a new edge.